Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Twilio Verify for OTP authentication, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Twilio Verify for OTP authentication, start by creating a Twilio account if you haven't done so already. Log into your Twilio console. Next, navigate to the Verify section in the Twilio dashboard. Create a new Verify service by clicking on the Create Service button. Set a name for your service that reflects its purpose. Once your service is created, take note of the unique service ID provided by Twilio. Now, you'll need to install the Twilio SDK in your project. For a Node.js application, run the command npm install Twilio. In your code, import the Twilio library. Instantiate a Twilio client using your account ID and auth token. Now that you have your Twilio client ready, you can initiate the verification process. Call the verifications.create method from the Twilio SDK. Pass the recipient's phone number and your service SID as parameters. Specify the channel for verification, which can be either SMS or voice. Twilio will send an OTP to the recipient's phone number. Next, wait for the user to enter the OTP they received. Once the user submits the OTP, validate it using the verificationchecks.create method. Provide the recipient's phone number, the OTP, and your service SID. Check the response from Twilio to determine if the OTP is valid. If the OTP is valid, you can proceed with the authenticated action. If the OTP is invalid, notify the user and allow them to try again. You may also implement features like rate limiting to protect against abuse. Consider logging the verification attempts for security auditing. Finally, ensure your application complies with data protection regulations. This process will securely authenticate users with Twilio Verify for OTP authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.